think there is we are live. I think it is visible. Please let me confirm. Someone I think it is visible. Okay. From I will discuss some MCQ regarding our examinations UGC NET December 2025. Every day I will discuss some MCQ and there is a 90-day series, MCQ series. Very important questions from all are taken in our chapter. So let's start. Question number 17. What is the correct sequence of the types a worm front away from its trailing edge? Option A, the altostratus, nimbostratus, cirrus, and cirrostratus. Option B, cirrostratus, nimbostratus, altostratus, and cirrus. C, cirrus, nimbostratus, altostratus, and cirrostratus. Options D, nimbostratus, altostratus, cirrostratus, and cirrus. These questions are taken from climatology part and cloud classifications. So everyone, please give your answer in comment section. It's your first questions. So if you are came from Bengal, then must visit our playlist sections. Answer answer कीजिए everyone. So this is our first questions from the cloud classifications. Yes. So right options is option number D. Right option is option number D. At first, in lower cloud, the nimbostratus, then middle cloud, altostratus, then cirrostratus, then cirrus. Cirrus is the maximum altitude and maximum height cloud, and nimbostratus is lowest cloud. So options D is the right, and this is the right sequence. Next questions, 18 number questions. Today's question number 2. Westerly is an example of. These questions also came from climatology unit number 2. Macro atmospheric motion, tornado, micro scale atmospheric motion, and gust. Answer कीजिए everyone. This is our session number 1 MCQ series. 90 days series होगा. Every day questions होगा. So westerly is an example of. Westerlies 18A. Okay. चलिए. So the first option is right. Option A is the right answer. Westerlies are example of macro atmospheric motion. Okay. Macro atmospheric motions. So option A is the right. Next questions, 19 number questions. Match the least one with the least two. Select the correct answer using the codes given below from the atmospheric part. Least one says the diffusion, the temperature falls with height, reflects the radio wave back to the earth, contain most of the ozone, falls in the temperature stop. And list 2 says the definitions and the name of the atmospheric layer like ionosphere, stratosphere, tropopause, and troposphere. And this is our options. So everyone please give the right answer in comment sections. Geography most important questions and MCQ series. Today is the day 1 series. So सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए एंड सेशन को लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए। Thank you. 19C. 19C. Okay, then. So temperature falls with height. Okay, temperature falls with height. Yes, this is troposphere. Reflects radio wave back to the earth. Ionosphere contain most of the ozone. Stratosphere and falls in temperature drop is tropopause. Yes, right option is C. The correct sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3. So 19 का C option is right. Oh, yes. C is right. Next, 20 number questions. If the elevation of sun decline, the albedo will. Options A, decline, B, increase, C, remain the same, D, no change. Please give your answer in comment sections. Which one is the right? This question also came from the climatology. If the elevation of the sun decline, then albedo will. It's our first day, that's why very few members in came my session. But everybody like our session. This is some quality questions. So if the elevation of sun decline, the albedo will, yes. Right answer, increase. Geography was designed as quality a question type to দেখবেন। হ্যাঁ, কোডোলজির যে কোয়েশ্চেনটা তোমাদের রয়েছে সেই কোডোলজির কোয়েশ্চেনটার সঠিক উত্তর হবে হেটনার, কিন্তু হেটনার তোমাদের পরীক্ষার অপশনে নেই। ঠিক আছে? না ভ্যারেনিয়াস হবে না যেহেতু তোমাদের কোডোলজি হেটনার হবে এবং হেটনার যেহেতু অপশনে নেই ওই জন্য হার্টসনটা রাইট করা হয়েছে। এবার আমরা ডাব্লিউবি তোমাদের যে পরীক্ষা নিচ্ছে এসএসসি, তো সেটার আমরা ওয়েট করব, সেটা অ্যান্সার কি যেটা দেবে সেটাই আমাদের সঠিক মেনে নিতে হবে। ইয়েস, 20 নম্বর কোয়েশ্চেন্স রাইট आंसर होगा बी, इंक्रीज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस 21. Seasonal contrast in pressure between the land and sea give rise to monsoon, options A, B, westerly winds, C, land and sea breeze, D, trade winds. This session is specially designed for UGC NET JRF 2025. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me check. Please give your answer. The seasonal contrast pressure between land and sea breeze give rise to. Yes, seasonal contrast. 21 number questions. आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग। 21. Yes. So yes, right answer होगा monsoon. Monsoon. Yes, monsoon is the right answer. 21A. Student. প্রায় 50 জন পড়েছে। আমি যে পোল দিয়েছিলাম সেই পোলে প্রায় 50 জন মতো রয়েছে। Yes, next questions, 22 number questions. Which one of the following is not correct? इसमें कौन सा क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन सही नहीं? Which one of the following is not correct? Cold front is option A. Cold front is marked with triangular spikes. B. Warm front is marked with semicircle. A fast advancing warm front can cause violent lifting. The tornado develop along the squall line. Questions number 22. Please answer कीजिए सभी लोग. Yes. Interview 1:6. 1:6. Yes, you are right. Which one of the following is not correct? Please give your answer. These questions from the climatology part, frontal part. सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए. 22 number questions specially designed for our next examination, UGC NET JRF 2025 December session के लिए. Which one of the following is not correct? So, a first advancing warm front can cause violent lifting. This option is not correct. So, 22 का सही आंसर होगा C. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. चलिए next questions. 23 number question का आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग. Some heat is received by the atmosphere even after sunset. Some heat is received by the atmosphere even after sunset from invisible solar radiation, option A. B says the latent heat. C says radioactive processes. And D is terrestrial radiation. Some heat is received by the atmosphere even after sunset. Sunset का होने के बाद कुछ हीट एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट है, तो सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए. Invisible solar radiation, latent heat, radioactive process, or terrestrial radiation. What is the right answer of questions number 23? तो आंसर कीजिए 23 नंबर क्वेश्चंस का. यस, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए 23 नंबर. यस. So this is why the terrestrial radiation is a main factor for the receiving the heat after the sunset. Okay, so terrestrial radiation is the right answer. 23 right answer is D. Next, 24, the Montreal Protocol. This question is came from the protocol Environment Geography, our unit number 4. Montreal Protocol related to what? CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon, ozone, radioactive processes, और ऑप्शन डी terrestrial radiation. सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए 24 नंबर क्वेश्चंस का. अबाउट मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल रिलेटेड टू व्हाट? ठीक है. This is our the specially designed the MCQ series day number 1 geography UGC NET wbset JRF examinations का day 1. So सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए. मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल रिलेटेड टू व्हाट? 24 नंबर क्वेश्चंस का आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग। Yes, Montreal Protocol came in 1987. Okay, please note the year. Montreal Protocol is came in 1987, and Montreal Protocol related to what? अभी तक आंसर नहीं आया मेरे पास, so सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए। Montreal Protocol related to what? Ozone. Ozone, yes. Due to the ozone hole or ozone gas. So option number C is the right answer. Montreal Protocol related to the ozone. And CFC gas is related to CFC gas is a one type of greenhouse gas, and greenhouse gas related to Kyoto Protocol. Greenhouse gas and greenhouse gas is related to Kyoto Protocol. Okay. And one more things, the Kyoto Protocol came in 1997. 1997. Okay. चलिए next questions answer कीजिए। Yes, next questions came from the Kyoto Protocol, unit number 4, environment geography. Topic is protocol. The objective of the Kyoto Protocol was to reduce the greenhouse gas emission by. The objective of the Kyoto Protocol was to reduce greenhouse gas emission by how much? Option A says an average of 10% below the 1995 level by the year of 2010. Option B says an average of 8% below the 1998 level by the year of 2012. Option C says an average of 20% below the 1997 level by the year of 2009. And D says an average 5% below the 1990 level by the year of 2012. Yes. सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए। फर्स्टली 25 नंबर क्वेश्चंस, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए। जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए। यस, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग। So the Kyoto objective of Kyoto Protocol is, right answer is options D, an average of 5% below the 1990 level by the year of 2012. So right answer is option number D. Okay. 25 का option D is the right answer. Okay. चलिए next questions, 26 number questions came from the environment geography unit number 4. Xerophyte can. The xerophyte can tolerate and stand against for what? High temperature, severe cold, humidity, and the drought conditions. तो आंसर कीजिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस का। xerophyte can tolerate. Xerophyte is one type of plants. Okay. Yes. So MCQ is very important for our session. Yes. Xerophyte can tolerate the and the stands against for what? High temperature, severe cold, humidity, and drought conditions. So सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए। This is our specially designed session. Must watch every day live at 9 p.m. So yes, right answer is drought condition. Okay. Yes, this is the right answer. Drought condition is the right answer. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस 27 number questions came from the climatology part. So 27 का आंसर कीजिए. Consider the following statement. Statement A, one says the ozone is found mostly in stratosphere. Statement B says the ozone layer lies 55 to 75 kilometer above the surface of the earth. C statement says the ozone absorbs ultraviolet rays from the sun. And fourth statement, 4 number statement says the ozone layer has no significance for life on the earth. Select the correct answer from the following code. This is their code, option A, B, C, D, and choose the correct code and please give your answer in our comment section. सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए. So आप देख सकते हैं ozone is found is mostly in stratosphere. This statement is absolutely right. Ozone is found is mostly in the stratosphere. So one is the right answer. One is yes, option A and D are belong is one. Then ozone absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun. This is also the accurate statement. 1 and 3 is the right answer. Yes. Yes. So right answer hoga options A. Ozone layer has no significance for life on the earth. This is not true. Ozone layer is very significant for life on the earth because ozone layer is protect our human beings from the UV rays. And so this statement is very wrong statement. And also the ozone layer found is almost 25 to 35 kilometer. Okay. So this statement also wrong statement. Yes. So 1 and 3 is the right. So option A is the right answer. Next questions 28. Which one of the following is not a factor that affect the wind movement? Pressure gradient, friction, magnetism and Coriolis effect. आंसर कीजिए 28 नंबर क्वेश्चंस का. कौन सा फैक्टर नहीं अफेक्ट करता है विंड मूवमेंट? यस. सो सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए. प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट, फ्रिक्शन, मैग्नेटिज्म और कोरियोलिस इफेक्ट. Which one of the following is not a factor that affect the wind movement? Very important session MCQ series. So चलिए आंसर कीजिए. Every day we are live at 9 p.m. So if you are came from West Bengal, then must watch our playlist section geography class. Okay, चलिए. So C, yes. 28 का right option is C, magnetism. Magnetism does not affect the wind movement. So this is our right answer. Pressure gradient also affect the wind movement. Friction also affect the wind movement and Coriolis effect is very important for movement of winds. Okay. So next 29 questions. Which one of the location listed below should have highest annual temperature range? Highest annual temperature range. Equatorial island, tropical host, polar ice cap, or mid-latitude continental center. Which one location listed below should the highest annual temperature range? ये 9 का आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग. फर्स्ट Tropical equatorial island. Which one is the right आंसर? सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए जल्दी से, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए। से आंसर कीजिए 20 नंबर क्वेश्चंस। Yes. So 20. So everyone, फर्स्टली आंसर कीजिए सभी लोग। I will give you 1 minute just. So right answer is D, the mid latitude continental center. Okay, 29 का right option is options number D. Okay, चलिए next questions तक। Which term, 30 number questions, सभी लोग आंसर कीजिए। Which term is used to describe the conversions of solid directly to gas without passing through a liquid state? Okay. Options A, evaporations, B, condensation, C, sublimation, D, freezing. Which term is used to describe the conversions between solid directly to gas? Okay. अब सभी लोग जानते हो कि solid, liquid और gas, 3 states of matter होता है। So if the solid is directly converted with the gas without passing the liquid matter, this is called which terms? So answer कीजिए। Yes. So right answer होगा sublimation. Yes. 30 number questions का right answer होगा sublimation. Sublimation term is used to describe the conversions of a solid directly to a gas without passing through the liquid states. So yes, आज का सेशन यही तक। नेक्स्ट सेशंस कल रात 9 PM 9 बजे तक। सो आप जरूर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखेगा और वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो लाइक कीजिए। कोई पूछना है जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन पर पूछिए। टेलीग्राम चैनल जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिए। नेक्स्ट सेशन MCQ सीरीज का कल 9 PM में होगा और कल थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा रहेगा। ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू, मस्ट वॉच।